How to on two-factor authentication in Instagram. Tap on your profile picture. Tap the menu button. Tap Account Center. Scroll down. Tap Password and Security. Tap Two-Factor Authentication. Tap Instagram Account. Choose the security method. Tap the Next button. Scroll down. Tap QR Code tab. Use your phone authentication app to scan this QR code. Tap the Next button. Enter the 6-digit code generated by your authentication app. Tap the Next button. Tap Done button. I hope this information will be helpful for you to turn on two-factor authentication in Instagram. Thanks for watching.